Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you how to set up and use AI based image editing tools in Windows 11. Yes, there are many free as well as some paid AI based tools that are available in Windows 11 which will make easier for your video editing and image editing purpose. So this video is a clear step-by-step guide to install and use Windows 11 built-in AI image editing tools. So let's start with the first one, that is Photo app. Yes, the same photo app which you are using to view the photos can be used to create AI edited images. So for that, first you have to open the photo app. Just go to the start. From there, just search for photos and you will get it here. Just to open it. Now from here, just go and open the image which you want to edit. Double click on it. Now you have opened this image, and from here on the left end you can see an option that is edit image. Just click on that. Now the first option you can try out is erase tool from the editing option. This is the erase tool. Just click on the erase tool. Now from here you can use the brush tool. This is the brush tool. Actually you can see the cursor. You can fix the size of this brush, just dragging the slider. Now the next thing you have to do is to highlight the object or the area which you want to remove. That is generative erase. So I just want to remove this person from the image. I have selected the person. So what it does is automatically analyze the surrounding pixels and seamlessly fill in the removed area. Now you can see here that the image is edited and the person is removed. So if you want to try make it better, just drag it once again the area, including the little bit of the surrounding, and try again. Yes, now you can see that the AI has removed the person from the image and it is regenerated. Now the next AI option is to apply the filters. To apply filter, click on the paintbrush button at the top and choose from the various filter on the right. So just click on this paint filter, and from here just you can choose the various type which you want. And you can define the intensity here. And similarly, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation and many options which is available here in this AI photo editing. Just click on the adjustment, and from here you can make the required changes. Also, this photo app lets you to mark up images. To do so, there is an option, pen option here, and you can start drawing here. And if you want to make changes to this markup, there is an option toolbar at the bottom of the image that is available here. You can see it here. From here, you can remove the markup, you can change the color, thickness, and some other options are available. You can try it from here. Now there is another option in this photo app from where you can remove or you can blur your background. For that, just go to this option that is blur. Just click on it, the background. You can see that it is automatically deselected the background. Now from here on the right side there are options from which you can choose. If you choose blur, just click on the first one and you can see that the background is blurred right now, and you can define the intensity. Cool, right? Or if you want to remove the background totally, just click on the second option, that is remove. Or if you want to replace it with a different color or background, just click on replace. And now from here you can define the background color. That's it. Now the second method is using the Clipchamp AI video auto compose feature. So to use that function, just go and start the clipchamp. Just go to the search and type in clipchamp. You'll get it here, Microsoft clipchamp. Just open it. Just go to create a video with AI. Now from here you can define the title and just click on add media, and now you can add the photos or videos which you want to create. Now once you have added the files, just click on get started. Now from here in the second page you will get many styles which you can try it from here. So if you want, you can choose it from here one by one. Click on next and it will move to the next editing option. From here you can have a preview of the video. That's it. Now the next option is to create AI images using Paint Co-Creator. Using Paint Co-Creator, you can generate any images from the scratch by giving the prompt. Actually, the Paint Co-Creator leverages Microsoft's partnership with DALL-E, which you might have heard, to generate images based on the text descriptions. You can input the prompt and that will create images with unique visual content quickly and easily. So for that you have to go and start the Paint, and on the right top submenu you can see that there is an option that Copilot. Just click on that and then select Image Creator. Now this is the area where you have to enter a descriptive text prompt explaining what you want. And now follow the process as you see on the screen now. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.